What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. If you are here, I'm sure you're looking to see where and what filter you need to change the cabin air filter on your 11th gen 2004 to 08 F-150. And unfortunately, I'm going to break the news to you that there is no cabin air filter available for these trucks. There are part numbers going around online I've seen depending on what year you put in of your vehicle. Mine's an 04, and if you go on Rock Auto, it comes up as air filters that fit this truck. But you have to remember that Ford had the Heritage F-150, which is the old 10th gen body style, also carried over into 2004. And in those 10th gen trucks, which is 97 to the 04 Heritage, there was a rare dealer installed cabin air filter kit, and that is what is giving you the part numbers for cabin air filters. There was no cabin air filter installed in these trucks, and I believe there was not even a cabin air filter in the 12th gen trucks, which is 2009 to 2014, and I believe Ford finally started from the factory putting a cabin air filter in the trucks starting in 2015 with the 13th gen F-150. So there is no cabin air filter to change. I have the one in my hand that fits my 2007 Mustang GT. I think that they are a great thing that the companies put in now. Mine is usually pretty dirty. Each year I change it, and it's something that keeps a lot of debris from entering the cabin and going through the HVAC system. But for whatever reason, Ford chose not to put one in these, and I think that is a stupid oversight, but there's nothing we can do at this point. So guys, there is no cabin air filter to change. I hope this kind of clears that up for some of you maybe that are new to this platform and looking for filters to change, and unfortunately there is none. So hope you guys get something out of this. I will talk to you in the next one. Take care.